Welcome back to exercise 5. Now, this is the step exercise. There are 3 different variations. In this first variation, it's just going to be doing it for 10 paces. Now, when I was learning this, I was getting confused by this too, because I know you're going to ask the question, well, Dr. Vin, how is exercise 4 different from exercise 5? The difference is with the steps exercise with number 5 is you actually do not continue walking during your break. It's a full rest. You stop, you take a break, and you rest for 30 seconds before you repeat the next repetition. So this is going to look a lot like exercise 4, this first version of the steps exercise. So I will demonstrate again. So I'll get my camera ready here. So again, we're going to take a breath in through the nose, out through the mouth, in through the nose, out through the nose. At the bottom of that, I'm going to pinch 10 steps. 1, 2, 6, 8, 9, 10. Let go. Rest for about 30 seconds. Then I could do another repetition. Now, obviously, you're not going to be counting as you go along. You want to make sure you're maintaining that posture. So we're going to have the tongue resting on the roof of the mouth, the top of the mouth. We're going to have the lips closed, jaw relaxed, standing straight, shoulders back. So that is the posture you want to go with for this. Now, this is a big exercise to use. The next version is a little bit more intense, obviously, so I'll talk about it in that video. And I will see you there. So this is the steps exercise for 10 steps. I will see you in the next video.